Hello and welcome to a special episode of Britannia Cheese StarChef.
Hey guys. Hi Shipra.
Hi, how are you?
I'm well, thank you. Special day.
Yeah, are you all set to cook?
Absolutely.
Awesome. So, as you know, it's a special episode because it's Independence Day and we are celebrating this with this recipe which is called Tricolor Cheese Tikka.
Patriotic tikka. Wonderful.
So let's do a quick ingredient checklist. So this is the green marinade. So you're going to make it from scratch and I'll help you out. So in your mixer, put all of the coriander that you have in the bowl.
All right, here we go.
We'll add, say like 5 to 6 leaves of mint. We'll put a little bit of salt.
Can't cook without salt, right?
There's yogurt, in like a small bowl of yogurt in front of you. And there are green chilies in front of you. You can add 2 of those. Okay, now we give it a quick spin until it's smooth. Saif, it looks amazing.
It smells amazing as well.
Oh, wow. Perfect. So then transfer this into the bigger bowl. So this is our first marination. So in the second marination, we are going to add cream.
So now we put in the cream.
Yeah, like 3 big tablespoons of cream, salt to taste, pepper, and a little bit of garam masala, just a pinch of garam masala, because this marinade, the color has to be white. The third empty bowl, we need to add some yogurt, a little bit of salt. We're going to add coriander powder.
All right, what's next?
2 teaspoons of red chili powder. We need to add a pinch of garam masala to the marinade that you've added chili powder in. Add a little bit of lemon juice to it. And there's some finely chopped coriander leaves. And just mix it well. So now is the climax time. We add the Britannia cheese cubes to the respective marinations.
God, it looks delicious.
Britannia cheese cubes, so rich, creamy with a burst of flavor in every bite. Grates so easily and can be chopped very easily as well.
I don't know, isn't cooking like so magical? Like you heat something and you change the temperature of something and it just becomes something else, I always thought it's like alchemy, the kind of mystical father of chemistry.
True, true. And what about cooking? It's always said it's like, the person who's cooking it, it's like his feel and the thought process that goes in the food.
Do you think the cook's personality comes into the dish?
I totally believe in it because you see, if I give the same recipe, so I've done like so many books, but if you give the same recipe and I tell somebody to follow it, the taste is different. Because जैसे कहते हैं ना, हाथ का taste होता है.
I think that's true of films also. I think films are a director's personality. You give the same film to a different guy and he'll just make it in a completely different way.
Okay, so food and movies are quite similar then, yeah?
Well, I guess they're both artistic creations.
True. So now, Saif, this is on your table. It's a skewer. Okay, we start with the green cheese first. So, you can put a little bit of marination on top of this and push it with a fork or something. In the middle, we'll put white and then on top, we'll put the red one. It's a tricolor, so we're trying our best to give.
Here we go.
Now the pan is hot. Just put a little bit of oil.
Do I turn it?
Let it cook for a little while. Let it get the color. And then we turn it all around and we get it on all sides.
I love this sound, the sizzle of hot cheese on like the pan and the smell when it starts. This whole chemical reaction that happens, This is my favorite part.
And cooking, as you said, it's one of the arts that uses all 5 senses.
Yeah.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Absolutely, all 5 senses.
It's amazing.
Look at all this. Oh, it smells amazing. What do you think?
It looks awesome.
I'm very excited to be on the show with you. I really do love cooking. I want to learn more.
It's an absolute pleasure. So now I'm also going to plate mine. So here we are, Saif. What say? Isn't it amazing?
Absolutely amazing and fills me with patriotic fervor. It's not very often you can mix food so emotionally. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. So if you like this recipe, do try it at home and send us your food shots on Instagram and Facebook, tagging us at Britannia Cheese.
And if you have more such interesting recipes, that are your own to share. Send it to us, and the ones we love the most will be featured on the show. It's time for you to know the winner of Britannia Cheese StarChef. Stay tuned. Well, goodbye till next week. Till then, keep cooking with the best.